All right. So before we jump into individual updates, I just want to address Lars's question in Slack. He wants to do a newsletter release, and I think Paul, he's asking for some just a little bit of feedback on a PR that's out there.
Yeah.
If you want to just get back to him today so he can get that out.
Sure, I can take a look.
Okay. If anybody else has anything else to add to the newsletter, of course, he can't join today as he's watching his newborn. All right, let's jump into stand-up then. We'll start with Luke. You're on my upper left.
No updates for me. I've been working on client stuff and client-related stuff for IntelliJ Elixir.
Okay. Paul?
I'm getting closer to having my chain set wrapped up, but I wasn't able to work as much on it last week as I was hoping. But I did get some things wrapped up. At this point, all my IR changes are pretty much done. I'm just trying to finish up the branch that I've got so that it can at least be merged in its current state before I proceed further. But that's kind of my current status.
All right, Hans?
Nothing much to share either.
All right, considering how short this is, do we want to take a few minutes and go through the issue backlog to see if there's been any movement on anything that we can close out?
I think largely the things that are going to be closed. I guess I haven't been paying attention on how much activity has been going on with the current branch that's out there. But I know a lot of the long-standing issues that we've got going on are probably not going to be fully closed out until my branch is merged.
Well, the one that I want to see if we can get moving forward in any way is the open pull request by Mike Wilkerson. It's been open since November 2nd for encode unsigned 1. It's been brought up several times. It's been mentioned that it'd be taking a look at it. It's just kind of hanging out there.
Luke, you could probably speak to that one. That was.
I'll try to fit in during the backyard retreat this Friday, I guess.
Okay. Beyond that, there's only, I believe, one issue that's been opened since the last time we did the issue pruning, and it is the issue of can't build Lumen on Linux using Nightly.
I think that's been fixed with the merge of Luke's PR. I believe. I haven't checked.
Yeah, like the Nightly version would have changed since then, so they have to retry. I guess we can say that.
Okay, I'll just close it and say sorry.
Yeah, I think that might be kind of like the same issues before, where we were stuck on a pinned Nightly version for most of last year, but with the merge of Luke's PR, we can now build against the current Nightlies.
Okay.
But if that issue is open after that PR was landed, then it's possible there's something else going on there.
All right, I just closed it out and let them know to retry again. That's the newest issue that was open. Let me just see if there's any that have been recently updated. No. Okay. All right, then I think we can probably cut it there. It's pretty short stand up this week. All right, everybody. Thank you.
Sounds good. Take care.
Bye.